Zoom has jumped into generative AI arena. It has released this AI companion which gets tightly integrated to Zoom software, and there is no additional cost of it. This AI companion is designed to summarize meetings and assist in chats. This feature is available to all the paid subscriber, and as I mentioned earlier, there is no additional cost. Another good thing is that it utilizes multiple large language models or LLMs. The way it works is that you jump onto your computer and see a bunch of chats. This Zoom AI companion will help you compose chat responses with the right tone and length based on your prompts. That time saved can help you focus on a project you need to share with your team. Another great thing is that if, for example, you're arriving a bit late to your meeting, then instead of interrupting the meeting, all you need to do is to just ask the AI companion to catch you up on whatever has happened so far, and then this chat companion will recap everything what has been discussed until that point. You can also use this AI companions more specific questions about the meeting content, and then, of course, after the meeting, AI companion will do the smart recordings, and it can automatically divide cloud recordings into smart chapters for easy review, highlight important information, and create next steps for attendees to take action. Another great feature is that, for instance, if you missed a meeting yesterday because you were off or you were sick, then you don't need to ask your colleagues to fill you in because they might not be available or they might just miss something. You can simply go in and read the meeting summary generated by a companion, which tells you who said what and then again highlights important topics and outlines next step. Another great thing is that AI companion will also be able to help you compose email messages with the right tone and length. After several back-to-back calls, you have a ton of unread chats. AI companion is also able to summarize those chat messages instantly so that you can get the big picture instead of going through the mountains of those chats and emails. And there are a lot of other things which this AI companion is making easier for you. I will drop the link to this website from Zoom, which lists more detail and also another demo for this AI assistant. Very easy to use, and I'm sure that if you're a Zoom user, you will love it. Thanks for watching, and if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.